Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to create quality score checklist in Excel using conditional formatting and custom formatting, as well as using some functions like average and error function. I'm going to recreate this quality score checklist example. So here I have different quality criteria: product requirements, packaging requirements, flaws classification, and on-site tests and checks. So for example, for flaws classification, you have two options: pass or fail. So if pass, I will have a check mark, and if it is fail, I will have an X mark, and most likely it will also compute the quality score and as well as the total, and we have also the average over here. So without further ado, let's start. I will demonstrate now how to recreate our quality score checklist. I already copied sheet number 2 the same quality score checklist. Now what we need is to have an option, a drop down option over here for product requirement, pass or fail. All we need to do first is to have a numeric value so that we can also compute it later in our quality scorecard. So for here, for example, I will type 1 and 0. Now, I want to convert this into pass or fail. So all you need to do is to highlight, right click, format cells, number, then select custom, then edit, type. So if positive number is selected, I will have comment pass. Then quotation, there will be no negative number, so I will replace it with semicolon, double semicolon, and if it is 0, I will make it fail, close quotation, and press OK. Now as you can see here, we have pass and fail. So what I want is to recreate it from this range of cell. Okay, so right click, format cell, custom, pass or fail, press OK. So when I type here 1, I will get pass. If I'll type here 0, I will get fail. Any positive number will have a pass result. So what I want next is to get check mark or X mark. So how are we going to do that? Okay, first we need to validate our data first so that we can have a drop down option over here, pass or fail. So select, highlight, go to data, okay, then data validation, select, okay, then all you need to do is to go here, any value, okay, select list, and for the source link over here, select this 2, then press OK. So you have now pass or fail. So if you click fail, you still have check mark. So all you need to do is to edit once again by using conditional formatting. So to do that, select, go to home tab, over here conditional formatting, okay, then new rule, or if you have a rule already created, all you need to do is to edit that rule. So what you will do is try to press Alt O plus D. Okay? Then select the rule over here, edit. Okay? So what you want is for you to have format all cell based on their values, then icon sets. Okay, select icon sets. Then if you have, you can choose custom, whatever you like over here. So when the value is greater than or equal to 0, or first greater than 0, then select number over here. Then if you have X mark for greater than or equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0, it's up to you. Okay, then select number and press OK. Apply and press OK. So when you go over here, you have an option pass or fail. So if pass, you will have a check mark and the word pass. So if you wanted to have only the graphic, which is check mark or X mark, all you need to do is to edit your rule once again. So highlight all, Alt 0 and D. Okay, go to edit rule, then check this checkbox, show icon only, then press OK, apply and press OK. So as you can see here right now, you have packaging requirement. What is your assessment? In terms of quality, it passed. Flaws classification, it failed. For on-site test and check, already passed. So just make it, if you wanted, make it center alignment. Okay. So for you to get the quality score, you just need to get the average. Okay, since it has a numeric value conversion over here. If you look at your formula bar, check mark will have a score of 1 and X mark will have a score of 0. All you need to do is to get the average for this. So you need to type a formula, equal sign, so average, function name, average, double click, then you have below the syntax or the arrangement. So just follow number 1, select the range from B3 up to E3, then close parenthesis and enter. Okay, now you have the average over here, which is pass, but you need to format this so that you can get the percentage. Okay, so all you need to do is click percent style. Okay, so that is 75% already. If you check this, you will have 100%. Okay, so that is for that. All you need to do is to copy, but be careful, ha. When you copy the formula, you will get, I'll show you, you will get this result. For example, div 0. Div 0 is a formula error because you're trying to, if you double click your formula over here, you're trying to get the average blank. Okay, so you don't want to have this kind of error. So for you to do that, double click. Okay, so all you need to do is delete again all of this, then double click your formula, then add if error function. If error, open parenthesis, average. If there is an error, comma, all you want to see is blank. Okay, so double quotation, then close your formula. Okay, so you are using if error and average function in your formula. Enter. Okay, then copy the formula right now and paste it over here. Okay, so let's try. So here, second line or second row, you have product requirement X. So packaging requirement is pass, flaws classification in pass, on-site is pass. So you get 75%. Okay, so for here, you get pass. Okay, you get pass and you get fail, for example. So, okay, you just fix this row. Okay. Okay, here, as you can see, you have a value of 5. That's the problem. Okay, just fix this. Okay, it should be 1 only. Okay, that's why you're getting 175. But nevertheless, just ignore it first. Then, we get the total over here. Okay, or might as well delete this first. Okay, so what we will do next is to get also the average over here of the entire from this range. Okay, enter and convert it into percent also over here as well. For each row we get the average. Okay, for each row, and type also error if any case. Okay, convert also into average percentage. So here you get 50% because you have check and close. X mark. So if you want, you can have also if error. Okay, comma and double quote, close, enter. Okay, so you have 50%. So if you copy all of this over here, okay, so 100%. So if you change X mark, fail, you get 50%, and as well as your quality score over here changes as well. So I hope that you find it very useful and continue watching my other videos in my YouTube channel. I hope you like it and you learn something from it. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.